Okay, so let's solve this question. F of x is a function such that f of x minus 1 plus f of x plus 1 is equal to root 2 f of x for all real values of x. Also f of 3 is given, and then we have to find summation r is equal to 0 to 10 of f of 3 plus 8r. So first of all, let's see what is to be found out. So summation r is equal to 0 to 10 of f of 3 plus 8r. As we can see, every eighth term, is added here. So for r is equal to 0, we get f of 3 plus for r is equal to 1, we will get f of 11 plus f of 19. So, and the last term, there will be total 11 terms. The last term will be f of 3 plus 8 into 10, so that is f of 83. So these are 11 terms, okay. Out of which f of 3 is given to be 5, so this we know. Why exactly 8th terms? So I somehow sense that there is a relation, kind of f of x plus 8 is somehow related with f of x. That will give us f of 11 from f of 3 and then f of 19 from f of 11. So I will have to, we will have to see here how we can use this to our advantage. So let's now start talking about the given relation. So f of x minus 1 plus f of x plus 1 is given to be root 2 f of x. Now I would like to see if I take one step further. So instead of x, if I write x plus 1. So here what I am going to do is replace x by x plus 1. So it is f of x plus f of x plus 2 is equal to root 2 f of x plus 1. Again, in this term, I will replace x with x plus 1. So we get f of x plus 1 plus f of x plus 3 is equal to root 2 f of x plus 2. Okay. Now, if we multiply, let me write this 1, this 2, this as third. If I multiply this second equation by root 2, okay, so it will look like root 2 f of x plus root 2 f of x plus 2, and instead of 2 here, root 2 here, root 2 into root 2, it will be 2. If we add this 1, 2, 3, okay, so 1 plus 2 plus 3, so let's see what will happen. We will, instead of writing all these and then cancelling out, we will see here only what gets cancelled out. So root 2 f of x plus 2 will, this is on the left side, this is on the right side, so it will get cancelled. Also root 2 f of x, as we can see, it will get cancelled. Now here we have twice of f of x, right? So this, so f of x plus 1 plus f of x plus 1 is twice f of x plus 1, so that is also getting cancelled. So what ultimately we get is f of x minus 1 plus f of x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so I think this somehow gives us, that means f of x plus 3 is equal to minus of f of x minus 1. So instead of, okay, hence simply f of x plus 4 will be equal to minus of f of x. I hope you understand this, how I have written this. So instead x को I will replace with x plus 1 and we reach here. So now pay attention, this is very crucial now. So हमें क्या मिला है अभी? हमें मिला है f of x plus 4 is equal to minus of f of x. So f of x plus 8, right? It is minus of f of x plus 4 by using this relation only. Correct? How? I think some of you get confused while writing this very trivial thing. So it is f of x plus 4 plus 4, right? X plus 8 को हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं? So now if I use this property, then it is f of x plus 4, right? Minus of f of x plus 4, sorry. Minus of f of x plus 4. And that is equal to minus of f of x. So f of x. Okay, so this is a periodic function with period 8. So that means f of 3 will be equal to f of 3 plus 8, that is f of 11 will be equal to f of 3 plus 16, that is equal to f of 3 plus 8r. Okay, and f of 3 is given to be 5. So let's go back to our question now. So हमें अब ये ध्यान में आ चुका है कि f of 3, f of 11, f of 19 इन सब का वैल्यू 5 है. So there are 11 terms, 5 plus 5 plus 5, 11 times. Answer is 55. So I hope you have understood this answer. Thank you.